So the big two words, Ozempic and Mounjaro, and how it is relevant in today's time for facial aesthetics. I am Dr. Shilpi Bhadani. I am a plastic and aesthetic surgeon at SB Aesthetics, Gurugram, India. In this video, let's discuss what Ozempic and Mounjaro can actually do to your face. In my practice now, I see a lot of patients who come with the concern of facial aging, not due to the natural process, but due to the weight loss drugs they have been taking. So when we are talking about drastic weight loss that these drugs do, the weight loss will not only be from a particular area, but it is rather global. That means you will have a generalized fat loss. And most commonly, the fat that is targeted is deep fat, the fat that is bulking you up, the fat that is visceral. So obviously, all this fat that is targeted all over the body, the face is not left alone. In the face, we have two fat pads. We have the deep facial fat pads and the superficial facial fat pads. So basically, what the deep fat is doing is that it is keeping everything up and tight, and along with obviously good quality skin. When you take these drugs, what is happening is that within a short amount of time, you're losing a lot of weight, and that leads to the downsizing of these deep facial fat pads. The resultant sagging, because you are becoming nutritionally deficient and you're losing collagen and elastin, and the skin is also losing its firmness. So both of them combined is actually giving you that saggy looking face after the usage of these drugs. Now, when I say that saggy looking face, it is not same for all. Few patients may have more amount of volume loss in the fat pads and less sagging in the skin. Some patients will have severe degree of both the things, and some patients will fall somewhere in between. So what is to be done? What can you do to reverse this facial aging or facial sagging that you see as a result of these? Well, the simple answer is that if you are looking for a long-term solution, then it has to be a surgical procedure. A facelift combined with a fat transfer is actually the gold standard procedure in this case, which will give you a longer lasting result along with facial volume. So in fat transfer, we are taking fat from the other part of the body and we are injecting it in your face. If you have mild laxity, then you will benefit from facial fat transfer alone, and you can get a lot of that volume back on your face. But if you have a moderate degree of sagging, then definitely a facelift combined with fat transfer is the right procedure for you. But if you fall in the severe category where you are seeing a global fat loss from the entire face, and for that matter even the scalp, then the treatment for you would be a global fat transfer of the face along with a deep plane facelift. What is a deep plane facelift? A deep plane facelift is actually a sub-smas facelift. So we cut the smas over here and we pull this tissue strongly up to reposition everything that has gone down. With that, you can have a sharper looking jawline, you can have all this excess taken care of and repositioned back where they belong. So obviously it's a complex topic, the treatment is customized, and one may need more of one thing and less of the other. So it really needs to be seen what is your particular requirement. So there can be no blanket therapy or blanket surgery that I can suggest that yes, everyone with Ozempic and Mounjaro will need these two surgeries. No, it's not true. So if you want a customized, personalized plan for your face rejuvenation, then you can write Ozempic or Mounjaro in the comment box below and send us your contact numbers also, so that we can get in touch with you and give you a customized solution. You can also, of course, get in touch with my team on the two numbers that are given. You can WhatsApp us your images. A lot of patients are taking online consults with us and we are happy to help. But do remember that nothing actually substitutes a physical consult, because we assess a lot of things when you see us personally, so that we can give you a detailed and a properly customized plan tailored absolutely to you. If you like the video, do share it with your friends. Do press the notification bell so that you can get notifications for the new videos. And I'm sure the Ozempic and Mounjaro buzz is nowhere going to slow down anytime soon. So I will be seeing a lot of patients with facial laxity and facial volume loss in my practice. Thank you for watching.